Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off your sound on DieStream's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off your sound on DieStream, firstly go ahead and launch open your DieStream's application. The home page of DieStream's application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed options, click on little gear icon shown on the page. The settings page of DieStream's account will appear on the screen. Now to turn off the sound on DieStream, slide the slider of sound effects to the left side. Once you do so, you will be able to turn off your sound on DieStream's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.